Real estate market is local, so one must review statistics for your own area independently in order to gain the proper insight. It's Friday, February 28th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The Mid-Atlantic region is seeing more new listings to the market equal to 3.6% more this year than last year, and new purchase contracts have actually increased this report. However, the number of contracts continues to be lower than 1 year ago. 1,799 homes hit the market since last report. Another 1,233 homes are coming soon. 1,377 homes went under contract, which reflects a rise of 6.5% over last report. 1,028 homes sold this report in 14 days, and sellers did pocket 100% list to sold ratio as their net for these home sales. Rentals fell 2.5% to $2,400 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, February 28th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.